Creative layouts often begin with simple shapes arranged in unique ways. Open Canva and start a new product poster from a blank canvas. Choose a background that highlights your product, then search for polygon shapes inside the Elements library. Add hexagons, pentagons, octagons, or other polygon designs to build an eye-catching composition. Resize and rotate the polygons to create movement while keeping the layout balanced. Upload your product image and place it inside or beside the polygon arrangement so it becomes the main focus. Add your headline using a bold font, followed by product details, pricing, and a promotional message. Use matching colors throughout the poster to create a professional appearance without overwhelming the design. If necessary, adjust the transparency of the background polygons to keep the text easy to read.